Hey everybody, Keith here. Meow Toxic. Meow's come back. This is really exciting. So here we go. I can't wait. Oh man, what is going on? Are those like bat wings? Holy cow. Wow, this is so different. Sounds great. Wow, they look really, really good. Their first song, Meow, had great lyrics. Great. Wow, I have unbelievable confidence now in Meow. Because if the company and the group is willing to do, this is beautiful. If they're willing to do a song and comeback like this, a video like this, because this is, holy cow, this is great. Wow, this is a joy. Gosh, this is more cinematic than most movies. It has that, I mean, look at that. It has that great sort of romantic film, cinema feeling to it. Man, it's like I think every video should be filmed like this. This is great. Yeah. This is really great. This is honestly, this is overwhelming because it's so different from their first song. Now, do you think that bands are moving, that girl groups or even any idol groups are moving away from doing choreography? Because more and more you see songs that where it's almost like there's a great versatility to just being able to film the members, almost like it's a movie. And the thing is, they're all so good at it because they're so photogenic that you can almost literally film them doing anything and they'll look perfect. Wow. Oh my goodness. The Black Label is elevating just tremendously. Let me bring up the hierarchy. Okay, so there's some rearranging of the hierarchy going on. Meow is just, they are fantastic. That was really, really great. That was right up my alley. That was just awesome. And I think every single band should have a video like that, where they film them and it's just is super cinematic and filmy. Somehow it's like with the film grain and all the sort of that cinematic quality to it, you feel closer to the band than when the image is super clear. Anyway, that's just something amazing. But yeah, they're really, really great. And it goes to show that because even though the Black Label is all about this sort of being very sort of hardcore or alternative, somehow that still fit that kind of very sort of deep feeling. It's just really, really great. And it still suits the tone of the band, even though it's totally different from what their first song, Meow, was. So this is extremely, extremely good. And honestly, I would put Meow up there really with all these other groups that are absolutely sensational. Baby Monster, Islet, Cat's Eye, I mean, they're all brand new. And they're all, honestly, some of the very, very best. That's ridiculously good. So please like and subscribe, and you'll see me again very soon. Thank you so much.